it's Chelsea Silverman here at Juiceteria, wearing my I Heart Juice shirt because this time it's all about juicing. And I'm going to show you how to make some plum juice today. So it is December and plums are not in season. So I took dried plums to juice and I soaked them in filtered water to soften them up and to help them go through the juicer a little bit. They don't fully juice, so to be completely honest with you, I'm going to put them through my juicer and then add some filtered water into the juicer after, and you'll see the outcome. We will get plum juice. I will promise you plum juice. So I'm going to take my plums that are soaked in water, that are dried because plums are not in season, and we're going to juice it up. So you'll notice nothing's coming out, right? Right. But give me a second, because now I'm going to add some filtered water. Check this out. Look at all this beautiful plum juice coming out at you right now. And I mean, there you have it. You got plum juice, people, even when they're not in season. So you can have plum juice any time of the year. Just stick with me and you'll get whatever you want. So here it is, Chelsea Silverman giving you some plum juice from my heart to yours. Please enjoy. Have the best day ever.